The Mahawali Water Security Investment Program, or MWSIP, is a massive development program being implemented by the Ministry of Irrigation. Since 2015, the program has been receiving financial support from the Asian Development Bank and the government of Sri Lanka. The cost of this first phase of MWSIP is estimated at US$ 675 million. 3 major projects are being progressed under MWSIP during Phase 1, namely Northwestern Province Canal Project, or NWPCP, or Wayamba, the Minipe Left Bank Canal Rehabilitation Project, or MLBCRP, Upper Alahara Canal Project, or UECP. Construction activity in the Northwestern Province Canal Project, or Wayamba is progressing rapidly under 2 construction packages. The first package, NWPCP NCB1, is building a new sluice to the Wamadilla tank, a new canal section up to the existing Devahua feeder canal. Under the same package, renovation of the Devahua feeder canal up to Nabadagahawatta is moving forward. The second construction package in the NWPCP or NWPCP ICB2 is in the process of constructing a canal from chainage 5 plus 250 kilometers up to 22 plus 300 kilometer limit. This second package includes a short tunnel section known as the Ranvediyawa Tunnel, an outlet location of the tunnel being prepared for initial construction. Construction of the section after the Ranbadiyawa tunnel is also in progress. The works include a cut and cover canal section with a double rectangular conduit here at this location. This excavated area will result in a rectangular conduit. As the canal construction work moves forward, it will pass through residential and non-residential areas in the Galevela Divisional Secretariat Division. The canal then crosses this area, the Kallapallakele forest, and then reaches the Mahakitula Dam, which is also to be constructed under the MWPCP. The Upper Alahara Canal, or the UEC, which starts from Moragahakanda, heads on up to Yakalla to divert water from Moragahakanda towards the north. Right now, construction at the UEC is proceeding down to the Moragahakanda Dam. The first 6-kilometer long section of the UEC is being constructed under the UECP ICB-1 construction package. Kaluganga Moragahakanda Transfer Canal, or KMTC, also being under construction as a sub-project of UECP. This is the layout of the Kaluganga Moragahakanda Transfer Canal, or commonly referred to as the KMTC. The KMTC is in the process of being constructed to transfer water from the Kaluganga Reservoir to the Moragahakanda Reservoir. This is the location of Tunnel 1 Inlet, or the first tunnel which starts from the left bank of the Kaluganga Reservoir. The KMTC itself consists of two tunnel sections. The first tunnel crosses these mountains and then opens to the valley through this outlet. The inward tunneling then makes headway from the Tunnel 1 outlet. The Tunnel 1 is being constructed with safety in mind. The Tunnel 1 outlet and the inlet of Tunnel 2 then opens to this valley in the same location close to each other. This is the inlet of Tunnel 2. Here, you see the surrounding area of the outlet location of Tunnel 2. The outlet of Tunnel 2, located near the Murugakanda Reservoir, is also under construction at present. Tunnel 2 joins with the Kaba River Oya, which flows towards the Murugakanda Reservoir. Here, you see how the Kaba River Oya merges with Murugakanda. The Minipe Left Bank Canal Rehabilitation Project is taking steps to raise the headworks weir of the Minipe Anicut. This project is being implemented under the construction package called the MWSIP ICB-1. The Anicut itself is being raised by 3.5 meters to allow greater water holding capacity. Regulators attached to the headworks are also being renovated as part of this package. The Minipe Anicut construction commenced in late 2018. The Minipe Anicut is located downstream of the Rantame power plant, as built across the Mahavali River. Rehabilitation of the downstream causeway is also progressing under the same construction package. This causeway renovation makes transportation for people and materials a lot easier in the surrounding communities. The Minipe Left Bank Canal Renovation Project is also moving forward. These structures attached to the canal are also being modified with the necessary facilities for proper water controlling. Aged water regulators that have been built along the canal are also being renovated as needed.